Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your avatar on the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can begin the game. And when you have access to your main character, if you wish to change their avatar, just tap on the escape button within your keyboard. Then tap on your user ID at the top left corner and then click on the edit button alongside your username. You will then see the edit avatar option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be able to choose from the various different avatars that are available within the game. Just choose whichever one you wish to use and then click on the use button, and now this will be added as your avatar right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your avatar on the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.